Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get and use boat in a fishing game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get boat, you can click on spawn boat right here, and then you need to buy the boat. And I have already bought the small boat, so I'm going to spawn the boat. Okay, you need 300 coins if you want to get the boat, and then you can jump to the boat. Oops, oh my god. I'm going to drive the boat. Okay, and then just drive it and you can go anywhere that you want. For example, you can go to the ancient jungle, or it's up to you. Okay guys, and that's how we can use boat in fish ed game on the vlogs. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.